1, 2, 3. I'm Catherine.
I'm Ivy.
And we're in Shanghai, China. Okay, so today we're taking you to 七宝老街.
对
Yeah. And we are going to eat some street food. Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay, let's go.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, so what is that?
I don't know.
No, no? Okay, what else are you? 哎，这个里面是什么？
豆沙馅儿，
勾画、
豆沙，
豆沙，是甜的，对吗？
对，
好的。
你吃不吃啊？
啊，是吧？是。
Let's try.
Anna?
It's good.
So is it sweet?
Sweet.
Is it crispy or chewy?
A little bit crispy.
Oh, dude, look at that. It's just coming off.
Oh.
Are you 好吃? Oh. Was it sticky and chewy? And it's really sweet, but this one is a bit crispy. This part's a bit crispy. Oh, so good. That's the red bean right there. We have to try this. Let's go. Next place. Okay, so we're in stop number 2. The place right beside where we ate the cake just now. This is it. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try it.
1, 2, 3.
It's okay. First of all, it's not hot when they serve this. It's a little salty. And this is like the pork belly part. So there was like a layer of fat that we just ate. And then the meat is quite dry too. Not my favorite. But what do you think?
Yeah, not my favorite too.
Next place, let's go.
辣了不辣了？
要辣的吗？辣的。
辣了不辣了？
Thank you, 老板.
Okay, let's try this. This is the was it 咸头? Zoom, zoom. Oh shoot, it's so hot. Oh crap.
Is it good?
Oh, it's so spicy. It's a little salty, but all I can taste is the spice. Oh, it burns in your throat.
It's not spicy.
It's so spicy. What are you talking about?
It's good.
You like it?
I like it.
Okay. Do they have this in Bima?
No. It's just in China.
Okay, eat more.
Okay. Let's try this. Oh.
Oh.
What is this?
It says meat and sticky rice.
Okay. I want to try.
This is how you eat it, eh?
There's no taste.
Huh?
There's no taste.
Not good? It looks good though.
No.
Not good? Good thing we only bought 3.
It's not good. It's not good.
Okay, so we're gonna try this one together. This is it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's try.
Gambe.
Abe.
Not bad. Not great. This thing here is all bean curd. And then we get the saltiness from like the chili that the guy put on top.
There's a soup in here.
Let's try the one with the filling now. So in one portion, they have 2 different types of bean curd rolls. This one is just all bean curd, and this one actually has filling inside, right here. This one has filling. So let's try it out. Gambe.
Abe.
This one's pretty good. This one has hǎitáng, a cabbage in it, and it provides the texture.
This one is good.
So yeah, this is good. But when you buy this, you're gonna get both. But I think it's yummy. I think it's good. Next one. So far, we've only made it this far. That right there is the entrance. We barely even walked like 50 meters and we've eaten this much. It's so good. What did you get? Okay, I'm gonna try this one first. It actually looks pretty crispy right there.
Oh, it's so hot. No, it's good, it's good.
And it's not too spicy.
Yeah. The mix is so good.
The inside is soft and the outside is kind of crispy.
It's a little bit sweet.
Sweet?
Yep. I don't know what is this,
It's a red dates.
but it's not my taste.
Oh, you don't like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
那个要放黄膏，我就是讲嘛，我不带不动。然后再。
哎，我要加点。干嘛谁好辣？谁的？
Wait, what'd you buy?
Like crackers. It's like crackers.
哎。
烧现卖的100年老店了啊！
I like it.
You like it? That's
Indonesian taste.
Indonesian style. Is it salty?
No.
So it's like Rice Krispies.
Yeah, I like the crackers.
所以2个咸的，2个。We ordered 2 sweet ones and 2 salty ones, and the guy just took it from like the same pot, so we don't know which one is the sweet one, which one's the salty one. Let's try. Super sticky. Okay, so this is the meat inside, and I'm not sure if I trust this because it's like, it's really pink. Let's try. It's not bad, but it's not the best. Okay, so this is what the sweet one looks like. Okay, well, good.
It's good.
Oh shit.
Oh. Is that good?
It tastes a little like jam.
Oh, it's
What
not
is this?
sweet.
Sweet potato? What? Oh. So the guy gave us like a lot of different ones. Okay, so that's what hers looked like. Good?
This is osmanthus, you know?
Osmanthus? I'm not really sure, but it sounds good. Yeah. Better than the meat one, eh?
Better than me.
This one's also better than the meat one. Hers has dates in it. Gourmet drink.
Oh, yeah.
It's dates. I think this is a Chinese version of what we have in Indonesia. We call it ronde. But for the ronde in Indonesia, the soup has a bit of ginger in it, so it gives you a little bit of a kick. But I think this one is just plain water, so I'm not a big fan of the soup. I'm not even sure if we're supposed to drink the soup or not. But this, I like this. And she really likes the date, the one with the dates. This one. Okay, so we're at our very last stop right now because we are dying. We are so full. But we have to try this one. This is it. This is the蟹粉小笼包. No, xiāng.
Xièfěn.
Yeah. One of them. Yeah, let's try it.
Let's try.
Without anything first. So you can see the soup right there.
So delicious.
That is so good. Okay, so the skin, unlike most xiaolongbao in Shanghai, is not super thick. It's quite thin. And then it just holds like the soup really well. It's a bit salty, but then like it tastes really clean. You can taste the crab, but it's kind of subtle too.
I think there is a ginger. It's so good.
Wow, the vinegar is like super strong. When you snip it, it goes straight into your brain.
The last one. Okay.
Ooh.
So good.
Okay, so it's been a joy spending time with you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, and share with your friends who are coming to Shanghai. And also let us know which other Chinese snacks we should try while we're here. And we actually really like 2 things from here. If you end up coming here, then you have to get the
小笼包
and also that
the first one.
yeah, the first cake that we tried. Those two are amazing, and they're just on other side of this bridge. So see you soon. In the meantime, 吃饭快乐, bye bye.
Bye.
So we ended up buying more to go because it's that good. It's that good. And the Ai says she's been working there for a couple of days. So
店里面找。
哦，很好吃，谢谢阿姨，谢谢阿姨，谢谢，再见。